Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
To the director, I wanted to know how difficult was it to convert a book into a web series, and how much part of the book have you used in this web series?
No, it is always difficult, even if you're writing an original script or you're adapting it from something, क्योंकि उसकी एक अपनी दुनिया होती है जो बनानी पड़ती है. How much ये कहना मुश्किल है, लेकिन जो सब पात्र है वो उस बुक से इंस्पायर्ड है. लेकिन कहानी बनाते वक्त you have to build on that foundation. So that story, the novel laid the foundation for the story and the screenplay that I wrote with Kiran. उस ज़माने में सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी हुआ करती थी और कम्युनिस्ट थे, समाजवादी, प्रजा समाजवादी, कम्युनिस्ट और कांग्रेस. तो इन सब के रेफरेंसेस एज आई सेड कि क्योंकि सेंटर में जो सरकार थी वो कांग्रेस की थी, तो जो लोगों का जो गुस्सा था वो उनकी तरफ था. लेकिन इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक मूवमेंट. इट वाज नॉट सिविल डिसोबीडियंस, इट वाज नॉट अ सिविल वॉर कि लोग एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के अगेंस्ट है. लोगों की एक डेफिनेट मांग थी उनको क्या चाहिए, और उसके बारे में ये आंदोलन हुआ. सो इट इज़ नॉट, वी टॉक अबाउट एवरीबडी, वी डोंट सपोर्ट एनीबडी. वी आर टेलिंग अ ह्यूमन स्टोरी.
We'll be having last two questions now.
I just want to recall an anecdote which I experienced myself. I was in Berlin when the first time Israeli company was invited to do theater. And amongst 3 shows, one of the shows was of play Ghetto. And this was based on the concentration camp. And after the screening, a lot of young Germans pounded on the writer, Joshua Zobel, that why did you bring this play here, when everything is over, Second War. And the answer which Zobel gave, I think has imprinted on my mind. He said, when I wrote this play Ghetto, I went into great details to find the authenticity of concentration camp. But when it came to writing the character of Nazi officer, I didn't refer to anything except my inner self. So what happened then can happen now even in Israel. I think that's the fun of creativity. And I think that's what is interesting about this, that you have to read in between the lines. And this, what Zobel says, in creating something which is based on the true events of the past. When you look at it now, what exactly you want to address and how you want to address. So this, referring to self, negative characters, I think it applies to such series and such films also, I think. Thank you.
Feel that there should be censorship on digital platforms, especially websites. No. Can you explain?
No, I think we have enough censorship everywhere else, so if digital is left alone, it will be good for people. Of course, it comes with a responsibility, और वो जिम्मेदारी अगर हम ले और सेल्फ सेंसरशिप करें तो कोई बात नहीं है. और आई थिंक वी आर इवॉल्विंग एज अ सोसाइटी, so we should soon move towards a paradigm where we self-censor content, which doesn't mean that I'm supporting anything outright vulgar or outrageous, but at the same time वो misuse होने की ज़्यादा संभावना है, इसलिए